That's a question that we get asked a lot, and it really comes down to how these systems behave over time. Spring-loaded systems tend to work well at first, but the issue is that the spring is always under tension. As it wears, that tension fades, and eventually, the system doesn't behave the way it was intended to. What we've seen is that it leads to sagging cables, inconsistent retraction, and in some cases, having to replace parts much sooner than expected. And in real-world use, people don't always realize that after the cable locks out, they need to pull it again to release the mechanism before it can retract. What ends up happening is cables get left hanging or sitting on the ground. In busy, public-facing locations, that just doesn't look good, and makes sites feel messy and poorly maintained. It also increases the chances of cables getting run over or damaged, which doesn't help with long-term reliability. We went with a counterweight system because it balances the load instead of fighting against it. The cable moves smoothly, it stays controlled, and because the system isn't under constant stress, it holds up far better over the long term. Now, a counterweight system does need a bit more vertical space than a spring-based one, so it's not the right fit for every single location. But for most outdoor installs where durability and long-term performance matter, it's a much more reliable solution. If you're not sure whether a counterweight system makes sense for your setup, reach out and we can talk it through.